Hi guys. So, Desert Artist here. I came into a conundrum where I had this file cabinet with some old tape marks, like the old duct tape, and I couldn't find any of that goo gone or goo go away or whatever the goo gone stuff. But I did find an alternative. I found that the orange hand cleaner, which every mechanic has in their garage, works excellent. And let me show you. I did do one spot, and I figured that I'm gonna have to. I got to make a YouTube video of it. Now, I did that one spot right there. Now, as you can see, I put a little squirt here and a little squirt there, and I'm going to spread it around, right? Now, I'm just using a regular old paper towel, and okay, now I got it spread around here. Now you can see where I kind of got it here. Now, there was nothing on there before. You're just going to have to take my word for it, but I keep going around in a circle, and I got, there's a little bit of elbow grease in there, but I want to show you just how nicely that it actually takes this away without not having to use a scraper or a razor blade. It comes away with just a little bit of elbow grease, and whammo, look at that. It is fully, totally oh boy, wowee. Now I figure I might as well do the rest of it here now that I got the tape running, just to see how quick I can get it done. A little bit more elbow grease, of course, is required, but I think I can have her done pretty quick. And oh, my paper towel's running out here, getting all gobbed up. I might have to get another one. Oh, sorry, the camera got a little excited there. So here we go. A little bit of elbow grease. And one paper towel and one large piece of tape residue removed from a file cabinet. So as I sit here with the sun above my head in sunny Arizona, I come to you guys this morning with a helpful, handy hint that maybe someone will be able to use. Hey, you guys have a great day. Be safe. Remember, it's the other crazies out there we got to watch for.